Hey guys, how are you doing? After a couple of months additional waiting time, here we have the edits by Instagram, which is expected to be a CapCut Alternative, a popular video editing app from Chinese company ByteDance. And because of its Chinese background, CapCut also got banned in few other countries. So if you were using CapCut and looking for a better free alternative, then this app and its features may be useful for you. So in this episode, we are going to explore the features of this new edits video editing app from Instagram. First, you have to log in with your Instagram account, and then you will see all these options, different icons at the bottom that lets you navigate between the home screen of the app, some trending reels that you can use the audio of. At the home screen, you can see to brainstorm your ideas, and if you are coming across any video, you can use the sticky notes feature to record wherever you are. If you're thinking about a video idea, then you can just drop it here, and later you can pick it up from where you actually left off. The user interface is pretty good so far. It is very minimal, and all the options that are necessary are kept in front, and the app also have a built-in camera that allows you to record 10 minutes of video using the available rear and front camera lens options. And it also allows you to go through the analytics of your recently published reels, and when you tap on the plus icon, you can start creating a project, your first project. And here I have selected few photos and imported it to my first project feed. Similar to any other editing application, the bottom section is the timeline where you can place your images, videos, texts, and audios with multi-layer structure. You can easily insert them by tapping on the plus icon relevant to that particular feature, and then you can start editing them, inserting any transitions or any effects to that particular clip. And you can of course add sound, or you can add voiceovers, and you can change that voiceover by adjusting the effect of that particular audio or a voice that you just added. Here, for an example, if you want to add an audio, look very much like the video editing features, the Reels editing features that were present in the Instagram application. Right now, it is less clutter, and all the editing tools and options are kept right in front of you with the edits by Instagram application. So you can easily browse the saved audio files that you were saving it for future use with your reels videos in Instagram application. Everything can be accessed right from this add audio section, any trending audios and so on. When you tap on a video clip or a photo that I have just imported, you can see that the transitions let me to enable different sort of transitions and filters, and then I can also add effects that adds some AI based animated effects as per the Instagram claim. In the description of the product, they have mentioned that AI based animations and tools are present in this edits by Instagram application. It is just the start. Like, I'm expecting more effects, transitions and features to be added in upcoming update, but right now it is super easy, and I love the UI. It is very much similar to the InShot application, which is very popular, and the CapCut or other applications. It also allows you to add overlays, to add stickers. We will see about that a little bit later. And the bottom drawer contains all the menu, quickly accessible, so even beginners without much learning curve can start using this video editing app easily on their iPhone or Android. For example, I have added a small audio clip, and you can see the voice effects enables me to change the voice effects, something the feature that is quite popular in CapCut and used by many reels and shorts creators. So similar to that, you can of course adjust the voice that you have just recorded using your iPhones or Android phones microphone. You can adjust the length of the audio clip and place it wherever you want to be suitable with the video clip below that track. And you can use your front or rear camera in order to give a kind of a overlay reactions or type of videos. If you want to create some reels or shorts, then this feature will definitely be useful. The green screen mode allows us to completely remove the background if there is a proper lighting condition, and then you can upload the video or attach the video as you want and start using that green screen feature. And as expected, the Instagram app is not available for iPad. The same way Instagram didn't make this edits by Instagram app not available available for iPad yet. As a video editing application, many people are using their iPads, iPad Air and iPad Pro models with the Apple Silicon chipset. So I think Instagram may be working on both Instagram for iPad as per the latest leaks and Edits app for the iPads as well. And here in the screen you can see that the export option, without any watermark or any quality compromise, you can export the videos to 1080p, 2K or 4K in both SDR and HDR color formats. Some third-party video editing apps, depending on the quality that you are planning to export, they charge you some fees. They ask you to go for the premium or plus pro plans. But with the Edits app, you don't have to pay anything. It's absolutely free, and you can export even HDR 4K video and upload them to your Instagram page. So what do you think about Edits by Instagram app? Are you planning to use it for your upcoming video creation projects? Do share your thoughts in the comments below, or after experiencing the app, do share your feedback, how the overall app feels like. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, you know what to do. Have a wonderful day.